Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain step by step how you can turn on the call recording option on a Samsung Galaxy phone. This feature is very useful if you want to save important conversations for future reference, such as business calls, interviews, or personal notes. Open the phone dialer app. This is the main app you use to make and receive calls, and it also contains all the call-related settings. Once the app is open, look at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the three-dot More icon. From the menu that appears, select Settings to access the phone's call settings. The settings page, scroll down until you locate the option called Record Calls. Tap on it to open the call recording settings. Here, you will see an option named Auto Record Calls. Select this option to continue. Now simply turn on Auto Record Calls. After enabling it, you can choose how call recording works. For example, you can set it to record all calls, calls from unknown numbers, or calls from specific contacts depending on your preference. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more easy and useful tech tutorials.